This lesson will describe the attributes of the receipt form. The top bar of the license detail form identifies the company to which the receipt is for. The first panel contains the remittance details. The second panel contains the remittance amounts, and the bottom bar contains the data entry information. We will work through each of these and discuss what information is held in each field. The first panel contains the remittance details. At the top of this panel is the association or company. This is automatically generated and identifies the company or association to which the receipt applies. The remittance reference is the remittance reference number. Bank ref is the bank reference. Other ref is a further bank reference. Receipt date is the date that the remittance was received. Comments is any extra information from the receipt. Note that this is very important, and in this box you should identify the number and names of the vessels to which the remittance applies. The final box in this panel is the confirmed box. This is a tick box to indicate that the information in the panel has been confirmed from the bank statement. The second panel in the form contains the remittance amounts, or how much has been paid. The first box is the total amount paid. It's the amount of the cheque or TT paid in the original currency of the payment. That currency is contained in the next box and should be the original currency of the payment. The exchange rate of the TT or foreign payment is automatically calculated when the local amount is entered. If the sum is paid in local currency, then this will be set to 1. The local amount of payment in local currency before any bank fees are deducted is put into the local amount box. Bank fees deducted. This has the local bank fees deducted from the payment when credited into the account. And following on from that, the amount credited into the bank account, the final amount credited to the account in local currency after bank fees were deducted. Note that this is automatically calculated. Finally, in this panel, we have the incomplete amount details. This box is checked when the local currency amount of the payment and the exchange rate are unknown. The bottom bar of the form contains data entry information and tools. Record entered by is the log-on name of the person who created the record. The entry date is the time and date that the record was entered. The cancel button discards changes and exits from the form. The close button saves the changes and exits. That concludes this lesson.